Hi everyone, welcome to Mom Do's Chinese Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tofu at home, just in few easy steps. So let's get started. We wash the black bean. We soak with water for 8 to 12 hours. After 10 hours, the black bean becomes big. So now we are ready for the next step. Black beans in blender. Because it's 500 grams, we make 2 times. The first half, 2,500 milliliter water. We take a bowl and with a cloth here. So we start to pull the filtrate, the beans liquid in. Then we take the cloth. We squeeze the liquid. We separate the beans liquid and the smash. Now we put the liquid in. We start to boil all of them. We start to boil. Turn on the heat. We start to boil. And make sure you stir it all the time, so it will not get stick or burn in the bottom of the wok. We mix them with water, warm water. Stir them. Make sure you mix them well. For this one, it's ready. Let's turn off the heat. We boil about 5 to 6 minutes. Now let's wait for 10 minutes, just to let it cool down until 80 or 70 degrees before we pull this one into mixture. We prepare a big container and we pull this mixture water inside. Now let's pull the liquid in the mixture. And we need to cover and wait for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, let's check. So it's like this. This is the texture. We take a container like this. Round is okay also. We put the cloth on. We start to put the custard in. fold the cloth. We'll take a cover and put it here. Then we lay with heavy stuff here. Okay. And wait for 1 hour if you want to eat soft tofu. If you want to eat a hard tofu, just wait for 2 to 3 hours. After 1.5 hours, let's take out the tofu. Yeah. Yes. Now let's cut it in small cubes. This is really nutritious because it's with black beans. Here we go. The tofu. We cut into small cubes. Here we go. This is the black bean curd, and it's really nutritious. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.